Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. You can see on my screen I am about to share with you the opportunity that is so amazing. So if you are watching this video, make sure you like it and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So this morning I received a message, inbox message from Metal Live Official. So he shared this with me. You can see what is on my screen here. This is what he shared with me, and he really wanted me to join so that at least, yeah, he wanted me to join. And because I did some research and I found out that it is so good, I decided to do this video to share with you guys so that you can also earn something from it. So you have to watch the video until the end to understand the whole procedure, the whole steps that it takes to start earning. Okay, you don't have to, like most of you watch like short, like you don't watch the full video, then you miss some information and come in my inbox asking me, oh, do video about this. I've done that already. You just have to watch the video. Please just take your time, watch the video until the end for you to learn everything. And if you watch the full video, you'll be able to learn how to register, how to start making money, and how to do everything. Okay, because I do try to explain everything when I'm making a video. Okay, so you can see Metro Life hiring announcement. Join Metro Life, start your journey with Metro Life today. Easy, rewarding, and full of opportunities. So self withdrawal, and I'm going to mention some of the withdrawals that they allow. That is, they're very like they favor a lot, like almost all countries. So we have self withdrawal. You take your earnings anytime. Agent commission, that is 20. I saw it is 20% if you grow your own team. And again, you go live. It is not a must, but you go live for 20 minutes. You get your own reward. You can see on my screen it is $2. Then you have to do face verification. I'm going to put the link on the description of the video. Sometimes I also share it on the comment section, but mostly on the description of the video. Make sure you tap on the link. If you tap on that link, it will take you to where you're supposed to register. I'm going to take you through that, or it's gonna take you to uh to where you're supposed to download the app. Okay, so I'm also going to link our WhatsApp chat group on the description of the video. So make sure you join our WhatsApp group for more updates. And if you join in there, if you have any question, inbox any admin. There are only 2 admin in there. Inbox any of them. And again, if you have any question, ask. And again, if you join our WhatsApp group, please be patient. Wait for updates. Okay. Thank you. So you can see verification for face. You have to do face verification. It's so important. And also phone number. You can do video room 10 minutes. And also there are some, if you just somebody chat you like hello and you respond, they will pay you in games form. And those games can be withdrawn into cash. And the minimum withdrawal is also here. Is $10 only. Okay, so they have their own WhatsApp, and also they have their own WhatsApp group and also Telegram group, so you can join both. And also join if you have any question, you can join and ask. They also have Telegram where you can ask questions. Okay, and you can also contact them for more clarifications. Okay, like right here, I can contact them if I want. So let's go to the app self. So guys, you can see this is just a new account. I created it for this tutorial, and you can see guys, my games, these games, all of them, I only got them from replying to these people. I don't even know what they are, but you can see if you just reply within that 4-5 minutes, they're gonna get rewarded. Like hello, hello, nothing more. You can see just hello. You can see I was rewarded 10 games for just saying hello. So the number of games you're gonna be rewarded is different. Like some can reward you 100, some can. So we have different things you can do here. If you click on this place right here, we have task, right? If you click on task, we have a different thing, like you have to sign in on a daily basis. And for you to signing in is you go live, okay? You go live. You don't need to go live for 1 hour or so. 30 minutes is enough, but if you like, you can even go more than that to make more, okay? Okay. And if you invite your friend, you can just share with your friend. It's optional. You're gonna get that reward. Video chat, you can 2 times of that. Top up, you can get that one. Join party room 5 minutes, that one. So that these are daily tasks, okay? These are daily tasks. It's so simple, by the way. It's so simple. We have events. You can also set your own event. You can see. You can also set your own earning, own events. You see, somebody has made this much. Okay. This person made that much. This person too. So guys, it pays. It pays. I'm gonna show you some people who have made $7,000 on this same thing. You can create your own event here. That is after following the group, the rules, app rules. So it is so simple, guys. You're gonna go to settings and make sure you you join and verify your face. That is the first thing. Join your face, put your profile picture, good one. Then the next thing is to bind. You can see still I'm having my coins at 0, and then please bind your account to avoid asset loss. Yes, I'm going to do that, and tomorrow I'll do a video again updating you everything that I've experienced, because from now I'm gonna be active, and by tomorrow I'll be having both games and my both games and coins. I normally say this to motivate you guys, so if I can do it, it means you can also do it. So by tomorrow, I'll come back here, guys, to share the same thing with you, to show you it is possible. And I know I will be withdrawing soon. Right now, my level is 0, right? Tomorrow, it will be different. Trust me. That is how I told you even the other apps that I join with you guys, but in the next few days you'll see my profile is something else. So how to bind your account, asset loss? So let us see how to. So you're gonna choose the country you're from. Right now this is country Kenya. This is Kenya. So you're just gonna start with 7. Start with 7. Don't put 0. Okay. That is phone number. If you're from other countries, you can choose. We have almost all countries here. This app is available everywhere. Even people from US, I've just seen them. I was chatting even with one in the morning from US. So it is not limited to any country, okay? So let me try put my number. I want to tell you something. When you bind your number, you have to, if you put your number, they will come with something like this. So make sure you you click on top up. I want to show something. So you can see right here, it is, they want you to put 4,500 coins. I'm going to get with 100 bob. 100 bob, that is 100 Kenya shillings. It's so cheap. And this one is 14,000 coins with 500 bob. So in order for me to activate my account, not account, but to activate my mobile so that I can be withdrawing. It's so simple. 100 bob is something small. I know it is not small because getting money is not easy. But I don't know how much this is in Naira. You or in your country. So just check on that on your own, in your own case. Just check it on your app to see how much it is in your own country, okay? So if you're from Kenya, you can just click on the 100 one, okay? If you click on that, guys, you're gonna pay 100 bob, of which transaction fee they're gonna take 3 bob. Top selling. So you're gonna click on, okay, mine is I have Visa. so I use it to purchase. And the same time, this time around, I'm gonna use Airtel Money. So they also allow Airtel Money if you're from Kenya, or I know it's in Africa. We have many countries in Africa using Airtel, right? Or Orange. Yeah, I know in your country they're gonna give you option. So in Kenya you can use Airtel Money to buy, or if you have that M-Pesa Global Visa card, virtual one, you can go ahead, connect it, and click on one, tap to buy. Like you just tap once to buy, then they will bring for you message pop-up or M-Pesa pop-up to put your pin. Then they will just deduct the 100 bob. It's so simple. Yeah, that is how you link your phone number. That is how they have set it, like they have put it. If you have to link your number, you have to put that. You have to buy some coins. So it is so cheap, guys. It's so cheap. So let me show you how to register. So if you first tap on the link on the description of the video, it's gonna show you a page like this. I just earned $96 by sending gifts to me. So come and try. So click on make money with me or download. Then it will take you to where you're supposed to download the right app or the official app. Okay, guys, it's so simple. It's so simple. Let me show you something, some of the charts I had with the bot, so that you can see what you really need to have and what you're supposed to know. So make sure you join Metro Live. Okay, you join Metro Live. You join Metro Live after registration. Okay, so after downloading the app, go ahead, join the where you can contact them, join the WhatsApp group, join Telegram group, and check on the policy for agency. Having this bot, a Metro Live bot, I was just asking how to withdraw. You can see step 1, how to deduct benefits from Metro Live host and agent. Like, it is so easy. You can see the minimum is $10. You can connect your bank account. They use bank transfer, the e-wallet, Pioneer, and USDT. Okay, or crypto. It's so simple, guys. I know in the next few days I'll be making a video while doing a withdrawal. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Today, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm not feeling that all right. But guys, see you soon in the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and see you soon in the next video. Okay, make sure you take these things showing you guys serious, because with these things you can make some extra income. Okay, guys, see you later.